Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. The USD CAD, we still have an order. This thing got out of order. And let's see what we got. On a weekly chart, price is pretty much going sideways. It's really not much on here to take a look at. But on this chart, we can see that price has a nice strong base. It's having a difficult time basically bouncing through to the 1.0100 mark. We're kind of waiting on, I do expect that price will continue to shoot back up, but we're still having a difficult time with that. We do have a price in order set down here at 1.0010, and we're going to continue to hold that for a little while and see how price reacts off of this major key level. So let's go take a look at the next pair. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Alright, now we are currently in this trade. It's right at break even right now. We got into this trade at 1.0250, price shown 1.0251. But you can see here that we are pretty much in a sideways channel between the 10148 and 10600 mark. Has been for quite some time. In fact, this pair seems to really like channeling in this range, which is what we're working on. And so we're going to continue to hold that trade. Now we're waiting on a Royal Bank of Australia interest rate decision. What would be really exciting is if it came out with some extremely positive news, like they decided at the last minute to bump interest rates. But that's most likely highly unlikely. But anyway, price is kind of consolidating at this point, and we're going to continue to just wait it out. Let's look at the daily chart and see how we're looking at that level. Let's zoom this in, and I don't know why. Oh, there we go. All right. This pair's been really messy this year, actually. You see a lot of wicks, and so what we're looking at here is price has gone as far today is the 103.20 mark, and continue to work its way back down again. Now as we'll continue to bounce off this level and work its way back up. And so we're looking at, after this RBA rate decision, I'm hoping that we see the price really take its move and continue back up the ladder here and let us close some profits out on this trade. Let's take a look at the pound yen. On the pound yen weekly chart, we can see that price is just continuing on this uptrend. And we had a trade in here. Let's go back to the daily chart. If price would come back down and retest this level here at the 14800 mark, that we're going to take a buy. It did not. Price is now how many pips are we looking at here? 700 pips above that range. So price is not come back and retested that key level. But since price did not retest that level, we're going to go ahead and cancel that order. Now, if price would come back all the way back down to the 14800 level, that would be an excellent opportunity to buy. But now we're going to have to look for a little deeper opportunity. And it seems like price has broken this original level here, and which is, let me draw a line so I can see exactly what this level is. Right around the 153.60 mark. So here's where we're at. The real trick is, let's go back to the weekly chart to try to determine. I'm going to try to scroll back out. Actually, that's about as far as we're going to go. Price has never been this far on this trade in years, and I have this set for a 3-year mark. I'd have to go back historically and see if we can change the time frame. In fact, let's see if I can do that now. Let's go to the weekly. 10-year chart on this. Alright, here we go. Now we can get a better understanding of where some of the key levels that we may have some resistance. Price is currently here. There's not really any much more resistance until we get up into this range up in here at 160 mark and a little bit below that. So, but this is a solid base, the 150 mark, and price is definitely above that. You can see here on the weekly chart. You see this scrolled in here that 150 mark, yeah, price over the last few weeks tried to reject that and has continued to break above it. This 150 mark is a strong base. So going back to where we just were on the daily chart, I think this trend is going to continue all the way up to the 160 range. And if we can get price to pull back to the 153.60, 153.65, I'd be definitely looking at taking a long entry on this trade. But along with that, we could have rejection here of this 15500 mark and have a pull down. My opinion, based on this information here, and you can take it or leave it the way it is. My goal is just to analyze the charts and see where I feel the market is flowing. And the way I see market flows are moving its way up, and we now would want to wait for a nice little pullback so that we can take an entry and continue this trend back up. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.